I didn't expect building a PC would be this expensive. I really didn't. As you guys can tell from the title, this is my PC build video. I will be going over everything that I have in this build and kind of me building it. I kind of didn't know what the world I was doing, and a lot of things was kind of off camera because my camera kept dying because I didn't have any spare batteries with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get right into the build. Alright, so for this build, I went with the AMD Ryzen 7 1700 specifically because I will be doing more editing and more multitasking than I would do gaming. For my motherboard, I went with the ASUS Strix B350 because it looks super cool and it supports RGB LEDs. For my memory, I went with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. I will eventually upgrade, but right now that's what I'm starting with. For my storage, I'm getting a 128 gigabyte solid state drive or SSD. And a 1 terabyte hard drive with a 1 terabyte external hard drive. For my video card, I'm going with an MSI GeForce GTX 1060 6 gigabytes because I feel as if that can handle what I can throw at it. And eventually, if I do need to upgrade, it will be later on in the future, not at the moment. For my case, I went with Coolmaster H500P mid tower, and I did not know a mid tower was that size. Like when it says mid tower, I thought like, you know, mid size. This thing is huge. And for my power supply, I went with a 650 gold certified fully modular power supply. I went with this because I wanted to make sure that I can handle anything or any upgrades that I decide to do in the future. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the items that I have listed in this video, everything will be down in the description. Let's get into the build, guys.
The world was new, something true. The thrill of youth, we were proof. The strobe lit rooms and dirty bars, spending nights inside our cars. We were right inside our hearts, but we fell. Oh well. We raged and burned down places back when we were young. Smoke into our faces back when we were young. Freshly faded, just emancipated, too blind to realize we were changing, moved to different places in time. And all these strobe lit rooms and dirty bars, spending nights inside. We were right inside our hearts, but we fell. Oh well. We raged and burned down places back when we were young. A breeze smoke into our faces back when we were young. We lost track of the nights, we slept away the days and hoped we'd never age. In strobe lit rooms and dirty bars, spending nights inside our cars. We were right inside our hearts, but we fell. Oh well. We raged and burned down places back when we were young. A breeze smoke into our faces back when we were young. Take
chain me up, but I'll bust through, I'll defy ya. Set me on fire, watch them conspire. I will defy ya, I'll set them on fire. 'Cause I'm a fighter, a tiger, see me walk through fire. Try chain me up, but I'll bust through, I'll defy ya. Set me on fire, watch you conspire.